I got a 2022 Ford F-250 Super Duty Diesel. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. Okay, we're going to turn the vehicle on. We'll be using this right here and looking up over here. Scroll over to Vehicle, Engine Information. Scroll down, oil life. Hold OK to reset. And we reset it. You can also check your diesel fluid, def gauge, engine air filter as well. And yep, that's how you do it. Again, this is a 2022 Ford F-250. This will work for an F-350, F-450, F-550, any of the diesels. Thanks for watching.